Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, so over here we're going to have the following unbalanced net ionic reaction in which we need to first of all identify the oxidation states of each of the compounds. Over here, oxygen is going to have 2 minus for each of them, so that means that we require a 5 plus on the nitrogen in order to generate the negative charge. So they have reactions that we're going to have. First of all, it's going to be zinc solid going into zinc 2 plus 2 electrons. This is going to be an oxidation reaction. And on the other hand, we're going to have NO3 minus going into nitrogen 0. In this case, first of all, we need to balance the nitrogen atom, so we're going to require 2 over here. And to go from 5 plus all the way to nitrogen 0, we're going to require 10 electrons. But we're going to leave them at the end, just in this case. So when we balance in acidic medium, the first thing to do is to balance oxygens with waters. So in this case, we're going to have 6 oxygens. That means that we're going to require 6H2O. Next up, we're going to balance the hydrogens, on this case, with protons on the opposite side of the reaction. In this case, we are going to have 12, so we require 12 protons on the left-hand side. Over here, notice that we have a total charge equal to plus 10. So to balance it out, we're going to require the 10 electrons that I just mentioned. So this half reaction is going to look like this. Let me make more space over here towards the left. These are the 12 protons that we mentioned plus 10 electrons. Now, to properly balance this reaction, we need to multiply the first one by the number of electrons of the second one, so by 10, and the second one by the number of electrons of the first one, so multiply by 2. In this case, the overall reaction, remember that this is the reduction reaction, would correspond to 10 of zinc solid plus 24 protons plus 20 electrons plus 4 of NO3 minus is going to produce 10 of zinc 2 plus 20 electrons plus 2 of N2 directly plus 12 water molecules. What we can cancel over here are going to be the electrons on both sides of the reaction, and this would be our final balance reaction, which we're going to have 20 of zinc solid plus 24 protons plus 4 of NO3 minus. That is going to produce 10 of zinc 2 plus 2 of N2 plus 12 water molecules. This reaction, we can simplify it a little bit, simplify dividing by 2. So another possible option would be 5 of zinc plus 12 protons plus 2 of NO3 minus. That is going to produce 5 of zinc 2 plus N2 plus 6 water molecules. And with that, it would be all. These are going to be equivalence balance reactions for the scenario that we're having. And with that, it would be all. Thanks and have a good one.